Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for, Bheki is testifying, and he has a lot of things to say. The most interesting one, he is saying that Senzo Mchunu wanted to be president. Imagine Mchunu being our president. He's already implicated in the most corrupt case in SAPS history, and he'll be our president. No way.
We met at the dining hall there, and then he raised two issues. He said Mabonga must bring him to me because he realizes that he's being abused or he's being used for the political games that he do not understand. Firstly, he said he has met Minister Mchunu, him and Brian Mahosi, three of them.
I still stick to my theory that all of this Mkhwanazi testifying is because Senzo Mchunu and Bheki don't like each other. Let's be honest, this is between Bheki and Senzo Mchunu. We don't know what happened, but Bheki wants to take down Senzo Mchunu. So yeah, man, this is going to be a long case.
Brian Mahosi, three of them. And they spoke about him because he's got money through the tender, him to fund his project of becoming either a president or deputy president. He didn't know. Myself, I didn't know which project was it. So that's that.
Already people are being unalived. Nathi Mthethwa is gone. And probably there are people right now, witnesses or people who know information that are being unalived as we speak. It's just that maybe they are not notable. And that's the irony of this, right? Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, his task team was actually the one that was investigating politicians being murdered. And it's not like I'm bringing Nathi Mthethwa's name into this just for the sake of it, just as an example. He's actually in the documents of this case or committee, whatever they may call it. So, man, most probably he will appear many times in the names, because if they needed to take him out, it means he knew very important information.
This is Kurt telling me why he wanted to meet me. But what puzzled him there for him to want to meet me, he was told by the minister that we will work together so long we don't come close to Cele and Zuma. I don't know why he mixes me with Zuma. But it looks like that's what he said, that don't come close to Cele and Zuma. So